Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do keyboard presses in Python. So first off, you're going to click down here and you're going to click interpreter settings. And then you're going to click this plus button and you're going to search up PyInput. This should be the first option. You can just click this button, install package. And right here I'll tell you if you installed, and as you can see I installed PyInput. So I'm gonna close these windows and I'll just click OK. Now you can say from PyInput, I think, yeah, it's this one, dot keyboard import key controller. And then you're gonna import time because we want to have some seconds. And then you can just say my keyboard equals to controller with parentheses. And then you can just say time dot sleep. And I'll just do 5 seconds because I'm going to go on my browser and it'll type this stuff for me. And then I'll just say, let's see. And then I'll just say my keyboard dot type, I think it is, or sorry, dot press. So I have to do my keyboard dot press, and then I'll just choose a key. So I'll just say I'll just do CMD. This will just click my Windows key, and then or I think I actually have to say key.cmd, and then you need to copy this statement, and then you're going to say release. Then you can run this and it should click the Windows key for me. Just wait 5 seconds. And it clicked the Windows key for me. I did not touch any key, so as you can see, that works. If you want to do a regular key, you can just put in strings. I'll just say H. So, and I'll just take this off, and I'll choose H. And I will run this. And it should press H for me. Yeah, it pressed H. But as you can see, it did press H. If you want to do a sentence, I think you need to say my keyboard dot type why am I spelling wrong? And then I'll just say the jumping fox jumped over the lazy dog, and I'll open up my browser and run this. So it should type it, and as you can see, it typed this. So that is it for this video. If you like this video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all next time.